Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to use web.com. So guys, what you have to do after logging your account, and you should choose your plan. As you can see here, we have this plan. As you can see here, you have free trial and you have this premium website marketing and e-commerce plan. For example, you choose this plan, guys, and after that purchase the domain, choose the domain and find your domain here, and you can use web tools for business email and business list, and you can use for search optimization tool. You can use this is to start fixing your issues, and you can improve your engine ranking and no SEO knowledge, and you can use to get business email address just for $1, 1.4 per month, and you can that much your domain. This is how you can do, guys, to use this beautiful website web.com. I hope, guys, this video helpful for you, and don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content.